What up, Believers Gang? Good day from wherever and whenever it is you're seeing this. If this is your first time coming to my page, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching my videos and sticking around with me. So, if you're seeing this, this is the official video kickstarting me documenting my journey trading a 50k prop account I got with Atlas Funded. So, before now, I've tried Funded Next. This is my first time using Atlas Funded. They got recommended by a friend, Leo FX. So what I plan to do is document everything, how I'm gonna go about the account, trades I'm gonna be taking there, why I'm gonna be taking the trades. I'm gonna try my best as much to document everything and put it up on my page here. The reason being, first off, is for my future self. I wanna look back at the journey and see the same process, see the same things I did that made me uh, pass phase one, phase two. That's if we pass. And if there is any mistake and we end up breaching the account, fine. I'm still going to learn from it to say, okay, look at what I did, look at what I did that made me uh, lose the challenge, right? But we don't plan to lose. We're gonna do our best to see how we're gonna scale that up until funded state till payout. So it's gonna be an amazing journey. Stick around. I've got some rules. I've done my homework. I've set up some rules to guide this particular account, and you guys, we're gonna see if I'm disciplined enough to stick to this rules. So just little part of it, you're gonna know uh, more of the rules as they go. But this is just an introduction video to this particular challenge series. So I plan on risking 1% a day per trade. I split it into two. So 1% a day, I split it into two. That means I can only take two trades daily. Right? 2 to 1 trade daily. And my target is just 1 to 2 risk reward is what I'm gonna be doing. Right? So if with this it means I have like 20 shots before the account goes. But at some point when we have some good P&L, I'm gonna start risking 1% per trade, right? Because I don't want to waste too much time on this challenge phase. I want to get straight to the funded side of things. So it's gonna be an amazing journey. Stick around with me, and the value you're going to be getting, you that's going to be watching, it depends. If you're a fellow trader and haven't gotten the privilege to trade any prop account, you're going to be seeing it behind the scenes, how it's being done, and you could pick 1 or 2 values there. If you are a beginner, you're going to be learning how and my own rules that helped me, these trade setups that helped me, so that you can replicate it whenever it is you get your own prop account, right? Then if you are someone who is not familiar with this space, you're gonna see live in HD how a prop account is being traded from challenge up until funded stage. So there's a whole lot of value to gain from this particular service I'm doing. And at some point, I'm gonna be comparing the funded account trading with some other live accounts I'm managing for some investors to see. We're going to be taking the same trades and we're going to be seeing the outcomes on the funded account and on the live account, but that will be later. But for now, that's just basically to me trading this particular account up until to the best of my abilities. So stick around, it's going to be an amazing one, and I hope we learn a lot in this journey. So yeah, that's basically it. Stick around. And I'm gonna be dropping the link to my Telegram channel. Stick around there, that because that's where you could keep tabs on me, because I'm gonna be sharing all the trade ideas there on Telegram. And I'm gonna try as much as possible to go on live sessions when I'm active on the chat. I'm gonna try as much to go live from Monday tomorrow. Today is Sunday, 26th, starting 27th April 2026. We're gonna start this journey. Though I've taken some one or two mediocre trades on the account and we're like down few percentage, but no problem. We're gonna come back on top like we never left. So yeah, do well to hit the like, share button so that others can see this video and come learn and get value for free. And you can hit the like subscribe button too if you haven't, so we get this to 100 subscribers for now. Before the year ends, we're targeting 1,000. So see you on the next one. Thank you and peace.